Welcome to a week in the life of my hair. I have naturally wavy hair if you're new here, but I also heat style my hair sometimes, which is actually heat styled right now, and I just filmed this cute little hairstyle for shorts, which I now post for the most part on a separate channel. It's just Tab, but the @ for that channel is @Tabitha97, and I'll have it linked down below so you guys can check it out if you're interested in short form content. But today is actually wash day, so this was like the last hairstyle I was going to get out of my hair, and I'm going to be styling it naturally wavy today. So I'm going to take you through like the next week of how my hair looks while it's natural throughout the course of the week. I wash my hair about once a week, sometimes twice a week though, so I'm not exactly sure what's going to end up happening the next week. It kind of depends on just like how my hair is doing that week, but I'm going to bring you guys along with me and show you as I go. So I really hope that you will enjoy today's video. If you're new, I'd love if you consider subscribing, and let's get into my wash day. So since my scalp has been kind of flaky and itchy lately, I went in with the Amika Reset Pink Charcoal Scalp Cleansing Oil. I sort of decluttered this, but no one took it. Like, I give my decluttered hair products away to like friends and family, and I decided to give it another shot, and I've really been enjoying it because I feel like it lathers up really well but still moisturizes, and I really feel like I need that for this time of year, and it's usually not very flaky, so I think it's the time of year, but this has been helpful. Then I shampooed with the Umberto Giannini Curl Jelly Wash. I missed this stuff, I hadn't used it in a while. And conditioned with my Briogeo Avocado Kiwi Mask. This one is just so good, so moisturizing. I have like one use left in here after this. Just kind of shaking my roots out a little bit since I washed it in the tub upside down, and there's just some odd pieces sticking out. To style, I'm gonna go in with the Kinky Curly Not Today as like my leave-in / cream situation, because I feel like this helps to really activate my curls after I've heat styled the previous wash day. And then I'm going to take my Curl Talk mousse. I'm close to being done with this one, and I just need to finish it up. I haven't used it in a while, and I love it. I feel like it's because I don't want to run out, but I can just repurchase it. It's so affordable, and I've had this bottle a long time, so. Yeah, I can definitely tell with the texture of that. It's not moussing quite as well as it used to, so I need a new bottle of that. And here is my hair styled. I'm just gonna go ahead and let it probably just air dry because I have to go finish making dinner anyways, so. I will show you guys what it looks like once it's dry, and scrunch in my oil and all that good stuff. Alright, hi guys. So yesterday I had my hair in a bun, like pretty much the whole day. It was day 3 and I didn't film because I kept forgetting. Usually day 3 hair is, I'll usually leave it down because it's still pretty good, or I can refresh it. But I was just not feeling it and I didn't want to deal with it, so I just put it up in a bun, and it was definitely more stretched out than day 2, but not like a ton, but just enough to where it was kind of like frizzy and there was a lot of underneath pieces that were kind of straight. So I just didn't want to deal with it. But today we had like a Thanksgiving dinner with my in-laws. So my hair has been in this style all day and it's really messed up. Like you can see the little bald spots. The back is not looking too great anymore, but this is the same ponytail style that I had in the intro, but it's with my natural hair. So it looks different than it did with my heat styled hair. And then also, like I said, it's been in this all day. My hair is pretty frizzy. I'm gonna take it out. I've also had makeup on all day, so my makeup is just like creasing and not looking its best at all, but that's okay. So since the front sections of my hair were in tight little braids and I had to comb out some of the tangles from those, it's looking a little crazy, especially like up here. A little bit lion's mane. I will probably just sleep on it in a bun or whatever. My hair is greasy at the roots because I've had it in styles pulled back the last 2 days, which makes a big difference in how much like grease that I get. So I'll probably do a full refresh tomorrow, like dry shampoo, wet the hair, maybe put in some product, we'll see. But obviously I'll film that for you guys. So I think I'm actually just gonna put it in a claw right now, pull it all back because I have to wash my face and do my skincare anyways. Actually, probably gonna shower and then maybe even take a bath because that sounds amazing right now. I just got a new like bubble bar in from Lush. I just grabbed it. I got the Sleepy bubble bar. You guys, I know this is random, but like look how amazing. It smells so good. Also the Sleepy body lotion, which I've talked about before. This is one of my favorites. It's like my favorite nighttime body lotion. And then also the Sleepy shower gel, which I've never tried, and that's in my shower right now. I used it last night. I'm just obsessed with Lush's Sleepy scent and just Lush products in general, truly obsessed. But this is not a standard vlog. So I'm gonna end today's like insert here and then I will see you guys tomorrow. Hi guys, so it's the next day. I'm gonna do my little refresh. My like continuous misting spray bottle is broken right now. It's not working right, which is such a bummer. I think it just got kind of clogged from our hard water. We're hopefully gonna take care of that soon because it has just not been great. So I'm gonna use my hands to like kind of wet my hair. It's kind of just have to grab some. I'm probably gonna do this mostly off camera. I just kind of wanted to show you guys. I get my hands wet and then I kind of smooth over, maybe split my hair a little bit to get it damp, and then I'll scrunch, and I think I'm just gonna put some leave-in in. Just gonna scrunch now that I feel like it's damp enough. I'm not going to be overly picky. I do have like a birthday thing for one of my friends tonight, so I want my hair to look like presentable, but I just don't have the energy to make it so wet that I have to wait longer for it to dry and put in a lot of product or time because I really have to get some other stuff done before I leave. I think really I'm just going to use my Kristin Ess one, and then sorry, I'm probably a little overexposed because my ring light's on. It's a very cloudy day out. And then I'll probably go over with just a little bit of the Rizos Curls texturizing salt spray because, I don't know, I just like to add that little bit of extra texture and hold. I do love that the Kristin Ess one leaves me with very like soft touchable waves though. So if you prefer that, you could definitely just go in with something like that. All right, not too bad. I'm gonna go let it dry, which shouldn't take too long. And then once it is dry, I'll probably put in a little bit of dry shampoo. I'm not gonna like diffuse or anything. I do feel like on refresh days, that gives me more frizz. It also gives me more volume, but I feel like I get more volume anyways on refresh days. So unless you're like, you have to leave in a really big rush, I feel like air drying is perfectly fine. Hi guys, so I look ridiculous right now because my hair is currently in legging curls, which I've never done before. I showed a little clip yesterday of my hair in a bun because it was another bun day for me. Maybe I should do these videos more often because it varies so much so you can see like the different phases my hair goes through, but I had my wash day today and I put my hair in legging curls. So we're gonna see how they turn out. I don't really have high hopes because I think I messed up some of the braiding and just some of the pieces, so I don't think it's gonna be even. And also the ends didn't braid the whole way down, so it's a little frizzy, but it is what it is. I'll let you guys know. Okay guys, sorry if I'm a little shaky. This is like a really heavy camera and I'm just holding it. I don't have a big tripod. This is my hair right now. Sorry, you can see my trash can in the back. It's really kind of frizzy and you can't tell that much on camera, but I ended up curling it like with a curling iron after trying to do the heatless curls because it was pretty much the only way to salvage it like quickly because I took them out while my hair was still damp. So it kind of just like got really frizzy and didn't look very good. So I curled it with a curling iron. Little did I realize such a small barrel would look so similar to my natural hair texture. So it doesn't even look that different. But then on top of that, I have way more frizz than I would with my natural hair texture because it was like brushed out and curled, and then when I try to run my fingers through it, like it doesn't look like it, but in person it's just really frizzy and kind of crazy. And like I said, I like my natural hair texture better, so I would just do that next time. I'm gonna continue when I heat style doing my rollers or straightening or something instead of trying to do like a tighter curl. It's just not for me, I don't think. But that is how my week ended. It's been a week now, so I'm gonna end this video here. Probably next wash day I'm gonna do it natural again since I heat styled this time, which I didn't plan to do, just to try to give it a break. I'll probably heat style it again pretty soon though because I really love the look of my hair in rollers. Not gonna lie, you guys, I've been like preferring that lately. I just think it looks so sleek and like I love the big bouncy curls, but I think I'm gonna probably do just another wavy wash day like I did last time. But thank you guys for watching this video. I hope that you enjoyed it. I know it was kind of all over the place, but subscribe if you would like to see more content from me. And that's gonna be it. I'll see you guys next time. Bye.